I have 3 minutes to slap on makeup. So let's see how far I can get. I already put foundation on. And yeah, I'm using my fingers because I found it a little bit faster than the brush. But that's just me, again. It's my own thing. Today, I am going to talk about my newest Shein top, which is the one I'm wearing. But dude, I ordered this twice, so I got 2 of them. And I'm like, well, I'm yawning. Okay, so we got eyebrows. Eyebrows are always a little bit tedious because they can really mess up your whole face if you have them all jacked up or uneven. So the goal is look as natural as possible. Right? Is that always the goal? Yes, it is. Okay. Got that. Cool. I think I'm down to 1 minute. Yeah, it flies. I would like to throw on some contour. My hair is looking kind of crazy, but it's okay, you don't see that. And blend. Okay, well, my time is up now, but we're gonna finish before I have to jump off, which that would be now. That would be now, ladies and gents. But before we do that, I think that's pretty sufficient, right? So we're 1 minute over. Oh, there we go. I gotta go. So that was 3 minutes and 30 seconds. So everybody, this is the final look. So matte gloss by Beauty Creations. Eyeshadow is just a loose powder, mineral loose powder. So I expect that it will come off throughout the day. Shein eyebrows and all the rest. This is just foundation. This is actually lipstick. As most of you know, that I use Essence lipstick as my blush. It stays on really well. I prefer it more than powders. And it smooths on really nice. Anyways, so on to work. Everybody have a great day.